Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video clip called Introducing the 7-inch Android G-Pad tablet PC. This is from aPadCanada.com. This video is going to cover some important topics. If you are planning to buy an aPad device, or if you have bought an aPad device, this video is for you. So what we're going to cover basically today is what is an aPad. If you're going to purchase this item, it's also good to know what you're going to get. We also have some technical information for you, and we're also going to show you some key functions of the unit. Again, this is a wonderful product, I tell you, and by the end of this video, I'm very sure that you will jump in and buy one of these units. Okay, so let's get started. What is an aPad? Well, you know what? I was talking to a friend of mine this morning, and I was told basically is that everything depends on standards, and the standard of today, of course, is the Apple iPad. Now, an iPad is similar to an iPad in a lot of ways. It's a tablet PC, it's portable, you can carry it from place to place. However, there are some differences which I would like you to know. And the main difference is that of the operating system. As you know, the Apple iPad uses its own Apple operating system, which is successful. However, the aPads or ePads or Gpads, they use an open source operating system called the Android. And the Android operating system is becoming very, very popular today because you see them in phones, you see them in tablet PCs, and you know, there's millions and millions of phones and other devices that actually use the Android today. So if you compare the population or people around the world, they are actually using the Android operating system. So when you're talking about operating systems, the Google Android has been, evolving, and presently they have a wonderful package. So it can actually compete with the Apple operating system. So the main difference is the operating system. However, there are some other differences between the two devices, between the iPad and the iPad. Um, for now, a good number of iPad devices come with a webcam, and what that means basically is that you can take pictures of yourself and friends. You can also, create a small video clip using the iPad. Now, as far as I know, for now, the iPads don't come with webcams. Maybe it might come with the next release, but for now, that is a very big advantage that the iPad has over the iPad. One other thing too, which differentiates the two devices, is that the iPads come with a lot of options, expansion options. For instance, you can connect USB devices to it, you can connect flash drives to it, and you can connect even a micro SD card. You can actually insert that into the iPad, and that expands your storage capabilities. Now, talking about this in real life, it means that you can actually archive files. You can actually save your songs and videos in jump drives and use them on your iPad device. Now, the iPad doesn't have this yet, and this is a striking difference between the two devices. And I tell you, I mean, if you have a high definition movie that you have on your jump drive, you can quickly connect or attach that to the iPad, and it works. So that is a key difference between the two. Now, most iPads support Adobe Flash, and because of that, you can actually like download movies and watch movies that are Flash based. As far as I know, the iPads doesn't support Flash at this point, and again, because some iPads support Flash, That is another striking difference. Now, talking about the usage. Now, the Android marketplace, just like the Apple Store or iStore, uh, is a place where you can actually download lots and lots of applications that run on the Android operating system. There are tons of applications out there. In fact, somebody told me like 80,000. That might be possible because you see, the beauty of open source is that anybody can design their or create an application on their own and sell it. Most of these applications actually are for free, you know. And once you go to the Android marketplace, you can actually buy them from. And the good news is that um, a lot of Android devices have that application available for you. So if you want to install an application, you just go to the Android marketplace, search for the application, and install it. And there are tons and tons of them that are actually quite free, you know, very free. Okay, so that is what an iPad is in general. Again, it's a tablet PC which is becoming very popular in North America, and they generated from China but and India. But I tell you, those guys did a very good job in you know, and in producing these devices so that that the common man can afford it. It's very affordable, and as you can see in the website, they're actually like half the price of an iPad. Okay, and definitely they'll get much cheaper. So if you decide to get the iPad, I mean the iPad, I beg your pardon, what are we getting? Well, you're gonna get a fast 7-inch tablet PC. Now there are a huge range of iPads out there in the market, but the one you'll get from this site is fast. Okay, and I will give you the specifications as we go on, but they are fast and they're wonderful. Um, Apart from 7-inch iPads, we also have the 10-inch iPads, which are also very fantastic, and they come with a much faster processor. Okay, what you're getting in the package, if you get this iPad, is also a mini A to B USB cable. In fact, the female B or the female B USB cable is wonderful, and that enables you to actually attach external hard drives or jump drives or wireless keyboard devices to the iPad. Okay, so that's very good news. You're getting a protective casing. Some people might want to go out there and buy, you know, a more wonderful casing, but the casing that comes with it is okay for, you know, for starters, right? To protect it from, you know, from the wear and tear. Comes with the power cable, of course. The AC adapter is a 10 to 240 AC, so you can use it anywhere in the world. It comes with an instruction guide, and when you get this package, you also get my time. I laugh because I am scarce, but the way how to catch me is to sign up for newsletters and other tips and some free ebooks, which I'm going to give now to those that buy from my site. You know, and even if you don't buy from my site, it will still be good for you to sign up for these items, because the ebooks, some of them will be actually free of charge. Okay, so when you buy the iPad, you're getting a 7-inch widescreen unit with a webcam that you can use. It comes with a moderately fast processor, which is which actually runs at 720 megahertz. It comes with a 256 megabyte flash drive. No, sorry, 256 megabyte RAM with 2 gigs of flash drive. So that means it does come with some internal memory that you can use to record or save files. So you have some songs, you have some files. You could save it onto the flash drive. However, I would strongly recommend to get a micro SD card, and that would enable you to even save more documents and songs onto your iPad device. Now, these devices come fully wireless. Okay, it's Wi-Fi supported. Some aPads in the market comes with 3G and some don't. Now, the 3G is external, okay, and I guess later on I'm going to come up with a solution that you can use to enjoy 3Gs with your aPads. It is maybe not be the best solution, but it is a solution, and I promise to put that video out there within the next week or so. It comes with audio jacks and phones. It comes with a built-in microphone, so listening to MP3 songs is wonderful. It's a wonderful experience. Battery life is about 4.5 hours if you're not using the Wi-Fi. If you're using the Wi-Fi, it's going to be a little bit less, but you know what? For the aPad device, it's an awesome device with almost the same battery life as a netbook, as a PC netbook. Okay, then again, it comes with this adapter. In summary, this device is a wonderful tool. Most people use it for watching movies. Most people use it as a traveling companion. Um, Most people use it to read ebooks. Having paperback copies of books are becoming the thing of the past now. A lot of people are actually getting books electronically, and the aPad is a wonderful tool to read such books. They're very portable, very light. It comes in different sizes, like it also comes with a 10-inch model. There's also an 8-inch model. So very we have a lot of options to choose from. And at the same time, Christmas is coming, so it's a wonderful gift you could give to a loved one as well. So I'll be coming up with new videos. There's going to be another video coming out very shortly that actually gives us a practical tour around the device, and you wouldn't want to miss that. Okay, so thank you so much, and decide to buy one. Thanks.